Welcome back to our channel, everybody. Good morning or good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. It's me, which Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log into NerdWallet. So for those people who do not know NerdWallet, NerdWallet is the American personal finance company. And millions of people turn to Nord to find out the best credit card up to their credit score, land a perfect mortgage, and so much more. So if you guys also want to, land these kind of opportunity, you guys can sign up for NerdWallet. But if you guys already have an account, let me show you guys how you guys can log into it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe with notification on, and let's move on. First step, search for NerdWallet and click on the first link over here. Once you click on the first link, it's going to take you over here. You just want to click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, it's going to take you to the page where it's going to ask you for sign in information. If you guys created your account using Google or Apple ID, click on the first two options over here and enter your Google ID or Apple ID info. You should be able to log in into your account. If you created your NerdWallet separately, not linked with anything, you can drop a bit down. Enter your email address over here like this. Enter your email address, just enter your password of your account. After you enter the password of your account, just click on continue and you should be able to log in into your NerdWallet account. So that's pretty it. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, be sure to hit the like and subscribe with notification on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.